This is a quick start tutorial for the Quest system. To get started, go to Tools, Debian Games, Quest System, Editor, and create a new database. Select the database and click on the plus button to create a new quest. Enter a name for it. Title. A description. Then we can give rewards when the quest is completed. Right now the inventory system is integrated, so let's click on this item reward for the inventory system. Select an item that we would like to give to the player. So maybe let's add a health potion, 5 of them. The window means where the reward should be put inside, and then we have to select a reward prefab. That's basically the UI prefab where to display the reward. So go to Quest System, Integrations, and then drag and drop the item reward prefab to this field here. Click on the plus button again, select one more item, let's say copper, 120 copper, and also drag and drop the reward prefab. Here we use currency reward. The next, you can set the quest to autocomplete when all tasks are done. Here you have the option to set if we can restart the quest when when the quest fails. Task execution means how the tasks should be activated. So here single means that a task will be activated one after another. So if you have multiple tasks, the first task will be activated first. When you complete it, then the next task will be activated, and so on. If you set it to parallel, then all tasks will be activated when you accept the quest. And you can also complete them at the same time. Then we have tasks where you can create your custom or use the included one. For now, I have only included the quest task, that's the basic one, and the gathered quest task where you have to gather some items. So let's click on the quest task, a simple one. You can add a description, then a required progress for this, and the progress message that should be displayed in the quest tracking. You can have a time limit to complete the task. This is in seconds, and if the task is optional or not. So if the task is optional, then you can fail this task and then continue with the next task. Then you can also add conditions, generic one. For example, you can invoke a method on your player that returns a boolean, and check for a custom condition if we can start the quest. Or you can also use the included has quest, so if the player has already a quest completed or not. Now let's set up the UI for the quest system. For this, go to Quest System, Example, Prefabs UI, and drag and drop the quest window to your canvas, then quest journal, quest tracking, in the next step we need to create a quest manager. So go to Tools, Debian Games, Quest System, and create a quest manager. and drag and drop your database to this field or select it. For this quest we don't need a task, so let's remove it. In the next tutorials we will cover more complex quests with tasks, but for the first quest we don't need this. And we also want to autocomplete the quest. To accept the quest, let's create a new quest trigger. So go to Game Object, 3D Object, and create a capsule. Then click on the Add Component button, and you can search for the quest trigger. And you also need a quest collection. Add the quest we want to activate. Then optionally you can also use the quest indicator that will enable this game object if the quest is available, if the quest is completable, and if a quest task is completable. For this I have also a prefab here, quest marker, so let's drag and drop it to capsule. I'm just using a text component here for now, but you can use whatever game object you want. So as you can see, if we enable it, we have a exclamation mark here. You can use a sprite renderer or yeah, whatever you would like. Yeah. So if a quest is available, I want to display the question mark, and for the others I'm going to use the exclamation mark. Okay, and that's basically it. Let's save the scene and hit play. And now the quest is available. We get the question mark. If we click on the trigger, we see our title, quest title, then the description of the quest. If a quest task is available, there will be displayed here with the progress, current progress, and progress, required progress. And we have also a reward of 5 health potions and 120 copper. That is converted to 1 silver and 20 copper. And if we accept the quest auto completes, and we got our reward here. Well, you haven't seen that, so let's just make sure, go to saving and loading. We have autosave enabled, so this quest is completed. Let's delete the saved quest data and play again. Open the inventory. As you can see, we have 5 health potions and 1 silver, 45 copper. And when we do or complete the quest, then we have 10 health potions, and the currency is also added. With Q you can see the quest journal with active quests, all quests, completed quests, failed, and so on. And we have just completed the quest, so we can see the welcome quest here.